just the basic idea about sir Python. What is the specialty of Python? Just the basic idea we provided already, right? Okay, sir, can you please spell out? Python is a general purpose. Python is a general purpose, general purpose, high level programming language. Regarding Python itself is general purpose, high level programming language. Sir, who developed Python? Who developed Python? Do you know? Can you spell out the name? I forgot, sir. The people who attended my first session, can you please spell out the name? Yes, Guido van Rossum. Are you getting? Sir, Guido van Rossum. Sir, this person developed Python. Do you know, in the data science area, machine learning area, there are lakhs of people, lakhs of software engineers are working under us or with the Python. So definitely, do you know, just have a look once, sir. Who is going to provide? Who is going to provide a big, do you know, something like yes, have a look once, sir. What is just can you please have a look, sir? He is the person, sir. This person who introduced Python. Are you getting? Who introduced Python to the world? This person, sir. Okay, Guido van Rossum. Are you getting that? So in 1989, while working at a National Research Institute at Netherlands, sir, this Python was introduced. But anyway, sir, official date of birth for Python is February 20th. Regarding February 20th, 1991. Remember this one, sir. This is the official date of birth. Even it was developed in 1989, but available to the public in 1991. Remember this one, sir. Okay, February 20th is the official date of birth for the Python. Sir, Python is recommended, yeah, first programming language for beginners, right? Sir, I don't know any programming language. Sir, I want to learn Python. I want to learn some programming language. Which programming language is the best, sir? Sir, obviously, we should go for Python programming language. Earlier, the people preferred C language as the best, but now it is Python. Because the reason for that is, when compared with the C language, Python is a very, very easy programming language to learn. Sir, in the last session, I covered with the small chota examples also, right? Because we are not required to write big code, sir. With very concise code, with very small number of lines of the code, sir, we can able to write the program. So concise code, very easy code we require to write, sir. Remember that. Okay, while small examples we are discussing, then definitely you people are going to get that feeling, I'm sure, sir. Okay, oh, Python is this much easy, like n number of places you people are going to feel. Next, Python was why the name Python? Anyone can you please tell? In the last sessions I covered already, right? In the last class I covered why the name Python. Sir, Python came the word Python, sir, this is one BBC. Do you know one BBC fun show? Sir, the complete do you know the complete what is the name, which was the complete okay, Monty Python's circus. Okay, the complete Monty Python's circus. This is one TV show which was broadcasted in 1969 to 1974 in the BBC, sir. Okay, sir, at that time this is a very popular TV show, sir. So based on this name, okay, Python came in the picture. Okay, this is the very popular, the very fun. The same way, okay, Python language is also very fun to learn, very easy to learn. That's why, so the people can choose this Python word, sir, from this TV show. Remember that most of the people are going to feel Python is nothing but something like do you know, snake or something. Based on that snake word, the Python came in the picture. No, sir. Remember that, sir, the complete Monty Python's circus, okay, sir, which was broadcasted in BBC from 1969 to 1974, sir. During, okay, from this show, based on this show, the name Python came in the picture, right? Okay, remember that. Now I have another small doubt, sir. Do you know, can you please tell, Python is the object oriented programming language or not? Can you please respond? Python is the object oriented programming language or not? Yes, sir. Can you please tell, is it the functional programming language or not? Yes, functional programming language or not? Is it a scripting language or not? Yes. Is it modular programming language or not? Yes. Sir, Python is everything, man. Remember that, because while developing Python, Guido, sir, consider almost all programming features from different languages, right? Sir, do you know functional programming language features, sir? Do you know functional programming language features? Functional programming language features, right? Okay, sir, this one functional programming language features from C language. Remember this, functional programming language features from C language, right? Next, object oriented programming language features from C++. So do you know, sir, by considering, sir, OOP features from C++, functional programming features from C language. Next, and after that, scripting language features, scripting language features from which language, right? Can I spell out scripting language features from Perl? Okay, Perl and shell script. Are you getting Perl and the shell script? Next, modular programming language features. Modular programming language features from Modular 3. Next, and after that, you know, sir, like do almost all programming language features by default covered in Python, sir. That's why Python is functional programming language like a C language. Python is object oriented programming language like a C++ and Java. Python is a scripting language like a parallel shell script. Remember this one, sir. Okay, sir, modular Python is modular programming language like a Modular 3. Remember that, sir. So Python is everything, sir, everything all in one, which is nothing but what? Python, sir. Next one after that, most of the syntax in Python what we are going to use is borrowed from C language and ABC programming language. Yes, remember that, sir. From C language, just like C, ABC is also another programming language. From C and ABC programming language, okay, ABC programming language, most of the syntax is borrowed. Remember that. So in Python, what syntax we are going to use? Mostly C language syntax and ABC language syntax only. Next, features are going to be covered. Which features are going to be covered, sir? So in Python, functional programming language features are covered, object oriented scripting language and modular programming. Almost all programming paradigms features by default got covered in Python. That's why Python is everything, sir. Remember this one, very important terminology, right? Sir, next, after completing this concept, sir, we covered one more point. But before that, the new members, especially you people, should be aware, sir. Sir, now my question is, Python is, do you know, like a C language, like C++, like parallel shell script, like Modular 3. Next, the syntax we are going to use C and ABC languages, right? Sir, I'm using different other languages, right? Now my question is, to learn the Python, sir, which language we should aware? Anyone, can you please tell? To learn the Python, which language we have to aware? Yes, which language we have to aware, sir? Sir, very simple. You are not required to learn any programming language. Remember that, okay? Sir, what is the prerequisite to learn Python? Nothing is required. Just only one language you should aware. That language is English language. Remember that, okay? If you know English, then the Python you can able to learn very easily, sir. Okay, no programming knowledge is required to learn Python, right? Okay, prerequisite is not there. Okay, remember that. Next, and after that, sir, where we can use Python? We can use Python everywhere, sir. Regarding, we can use Python everywhere for developing desktop applications, for developing web applications, for developing database application, for network programming. Next, and after that, for data analysis applications, machine learning, AI. Next, IoT, like every area. Happily we are going to use Python. Don't worry about that, sir. Once you learn Python, definitely your life by default is going to be settled, sir, because in all application areas Python is going to be there, sir. Don't worry about that, sir. Now, data science area, IoT area. What is the meaning of IoT? Anyone, can you please tell? IoT, sir, it's a very common word these days, sir. What is the meaning of IoT? Hey, please respond, man. Compulsory you should respond, sir. Internet of things, okay? Next, and after that, data science data science, okay. Next one after that AI, like sir, in these areas, sir, best suitable programming language is the Python programming language, right? Sir, data science, can I use the data Java language in the data science or not? Sorry sir, not possible. Are you getting it? Everyone is always going to use either Python language or R language. Are you getting that? There is one programming language is there named with R, either Python language or R language. These languages best suitable, sir, best suitable for these kind of things, sir. I know Java, I want to learn the data science with Java. Sorry sir, not possible, because concise code we are going to use. That's why, so make sure, sir, Python, if you learn, sir, in every area you can keep your leg, no problem at all. That's why so much scope is there with the Python programming language, believe me, sir. Okay, next and after that, okay, sir, almost all software companies already use Python, sir, already started using Python. Best example, Google, YouTube, regarding Google, YouTube, Microsoft, IBM, Yahoo. So like every most of the software companies, sir, in their majority of their products, yes, Python language already used, sir. Okay, make sure this is the just a basic idea what I provided in the last sessions. After this is the clear for all, right? Even the new members also, sir, I didn't attend last session. These are the just the basic things whatever I covered in the last session. Already this video we uploaded in the YouTube, sir. Okay, happily, if you want, you can go through that complete video, then you can get much clarity. Just to outline whatever I covered in the last session, these are the things. That's why the new members also, you are not going to miss anything, sir. Okay, that's all. Let me start, sir, in today's session what things I'm going to discuss, right? Sir, very simple. This is a very important terminology, sir. Sir, what are various features of Python? You are telling Python is the king. Python is the best suitable, right? Python is the king, or Python is the best suitable. Can you please tell some features of Python? Like, sir, there may be a chance of asking the people, right? Sir, what things you people can able to tell? Can you spell out what are various features of Python programming language? There are multiple features are there, sir. Just like our Java, while learning Java, the people are going to use, do you know, Java buzzwords, like buzzwords, almost around 11 buzzwords are there for Java. Same way, what are various specialities of Python, features of Python? Okay, can you please spell out? Sir, anyone, can you please tell? Yes, ma'am. Anyone, whatever you know, sir, this is the specialty of Python, sir. These are the features, right? Yes, easy to learn. Next, the freeware and open source, simple, high-level language, excellent. Any other? Respond, man. Whatever there in your mind, sir. This is the feature of Python. Extensible, dynamically typed, good, extensive. Any other? Sir, these are the features. Concise code, yes, good. Platform independent, modular, okay, extensive libraries, sir, platform independent, object oriented, portability, good, portable, yes, good. Sir, whatever you are feeling, you know, can you please spell out the libraries? Yes, whatever you know, each and every person should respond, man. Just there are several people who are very silent. Okay, just whatever you know, sir, this programming language Python is too good because of these features, right? Immediately, at least 5 to 6 important features, immediately you should be in a position to tell. Okay, next time, whenever I'm asking, you should not be silent. Remember that, sir. Listen very carefully. Okay, first feature, sir, Python is very simple programming language and easy to learn. Remember this one, sir. Python is a very simple programming language and easy to learn. Remember that. Sir, you know, Python is a very simple programming language. I can use the word nursery level programming language. Okay, simple nursery level programming language is the Python programming language, right? So, whenever we are reading Python program, we can feel like reading English statements. Remember that. We never going to feel, oh, this is the programming. Regarding this is the programming instruction, program code. Like we never going to feel. Definitely, you people are going to feel that, oh, you are reading some English statements, right? Can you please observe that, sir? X is equal to 10. If A less than 20, else 30. Are you getting? please tell what is the if 10 is less than 20, if sir some 30 or 30 is less than 20, else 30 sir, something like. Can you please tell, sir? Can you please read this one? 10 x value is 10. If 30 less than 20, else 30. I'm taking something like. Can you please tell what is the x value? Please respond. What is the x value, sir? Sir, you don't know any programming language, just English statements, right? X value is the 10. If 30 less than 20, no sir, 30 not less than 20, else 30 is the value. That's why, what is the x value, sir? 30. What is the x value, sir? 30. Like, sir, do you know, is it something like English statement or not? Oi, respond. Is it something like English statement or not? Yes, sir, it is. But believe me, this is the Python code, sir. Believe me, it is the Python code. It's not my own creation, sir. If you want, let me execute this Python code so that you people can feel, oh, itself is valid code. Python syntax only. Definitely, you are going to feel. Sir, now just observe that x is equal to 10. If 30 less than 20, else 30 I'm taking, sir. Perfectly valid. You didn't get any error. Such a simple x. What the x values are? 30. By default x value we are going to get. So Python is something like reading Python code itself is nothing but normal English lines of the code, sir. Okay, normal English lines of the code. Don't feel sorry to the program code. I don't know that programming language and so on. No, sir. Python means English programming, English language only, right? Okay. Like, sir, now I'm taking for I in range of 10. For I in range of 10. Sir, if I can take print, hello, I'm taking, sir. Can you spell out what is the output by default we are going to get, sir? Yes, if you can show this code to normal person, sir, to understand this code, do you know, some big programming knowledge is not required. Anyone can able to understand that. Can you please guess what this code is doing? Array, what this code is doing? Can you please guess? Can you please guess? Anyone can able to tell, sir. Sir, for I in range of 10. Oh, in range of 10 means, sir, up to 10. Sir, print of hello. Hello is going to be printed how many times, right? 10 times. Regarding hello will be printed how many times, right? 10 times, sir. Sir, it seems to be very simple, sir. For I in range of 10, sir. For I in range of 10, print of hello I'm taking. Print of hello I'm taking, sir. Just let me take hello by default executed, by default printed how many times, right? 10 times by default got printed. Everyone can aware, sir? Seems to be, do you know, it is the Python code. It's the Python code. We are going to write this code thousands of times, right? But anyway, it seems to be simple programming, simple English language, right? Okay, so not only here, everywhere you are going to feel that, is it program code or is it English code? Such type of doubt you people are going to get. That is the biggest specialty of Python, man. Remember this one. So Python is the simple programming language and very easy to learn, sir. Sir, when we read a Python program, we can feel like reading English statements. Clear for all of you, right? Next, do you know, sir, in English or otherwise in Java, the people who learn Java, how many keywords are there? How many keywords are there in Java? The people who know Java, do you know, almost around 53 reserved words are there, sir. 53 reserved words are there. But the same question, if I can ask Python, Python, how many keywords you have? Only 30 plus keywords are there. Almost around 33 or something like 30 plus keywords are there. Remember that, sir. Very small number. If you ever these 33 keywords, then the Python language by default is going to be completed. Okay, that much easy programming language, right? The syntaxes are very simple and only 30 plus keywords are available. 33 keywords are available, right? When compared with other languages, any other language, we can write Python program with a very less number of lines, hence more readability and more simplicity, right? Okay, more readability, more simplicity, because concise code, right? Okay, we can reduce development and the development cost of the project, correct or not? Development time and cost of the project we can able to reduce, because very less code we have to write means we are not required to write a big code. Is it clear for all of it? That's why make sure, sir, it is the most simplest programming language is the Python. Python. Next and after that is the very easy to learn. Clear? Yes? Are you able to understand, right? Sir, the first feature. What is the first feature, sir? Respond. What is the first feature? Simple and easy to learn. Okay? Is the simple and easy to learn. Manisha, is the Python is the case sensitive or not? Python is the case sensitive or not? Some student is asking that now. Yes, Python is case sensitive. Lower case and upper case, there is a difference is there. Okay? It is the case sensitive programming language only. Clear, right? Okay? Sir, what is the second one, sir? Second one, it is a very, very important, sir. Do you know? Sometimes what will happen is, sir, I want to learn Python, or I want to use Python. Do you know? It is how much license cost I require to pay. Anyone, can you please tell? If I want to use Python in my system, if I want to install Python in my system, how much is the license cost? Okay, remember that it is freeware. Are you getting? We are not required to pay single paisa also, okay, to use sir Python software. Remember, okay, sir, it is the freeware. We can use Python software without any license, and it's the freeware. Next, and open source. Very, very important point, sir. Sir, it is the freeware and the open source. Sir, what is the meaning of open source? What is the meaning of open source, right? Sir, Python, how it is developed? Source code is open. Regarding Python, how it is developed, sir? Source code is open. Any person can able to see the Python code. Okay, internally how it is developed, right? So yes, it is the open source. The biggest specialty is, if you are not feeling comfortable with one feature, happily you are allowed to, sir, customize Python source code based on your requirement. Remember this one, sir. Your own customized version of Python we can able to sir introduce, right? Sir, best example, sir, Jython is there. Are you getting? Can I spell out, sir, what is this one? Jython is there. Customized version of Python to work with the Java applications. Are you getting right? Sir, I will use Python. I will add some more libraries. I will change the behavior of Python based on my requirement. And tomorrow I'm going to use the word, sir, it is the Durga Python. Are you getting? So Python, the behavior is the fixed. No, sir. Any person can able to customize its behavior because it is the open source. Everyone can able to understand, right? What is the meaning of open source? What is the meaning of freeware? Freeware means no license cost. Any person can able to, sir, use without having any license. It is a freeware. Next, what is the meaning of open source? What is the meaning of open source? Open source means, do you know, right? Sir, the source code is the open. Any person can able to see the source code. Any person can able to customize based on our requirement, right? Best example, Jython. Regarding Jython is a customized version of Python to work with the Java applications, right? So is it a wonderful feature or not? It is the freeware and open source. What is the meaning of both, sir? Most of the people are going to feel freeware is nothing but open source. No, both are different terminology. Remember that, okay? So we can use Python software without any license, and it's the freeware. If its a source code is open, so that we can customize based on our requirement. Examples are for that. Jython is the customized version of Python to work with the Java applications. Clear? Yes? Any explanation is required? Okay, that's all, sir. So maybe make sure, sir. This is the second important feature, sir. So the first one is simple and easy to learn. Second one, sir, simple and easy to learn. Second one, sir, freeware and open source. Okay. What is the third one, sir? The third one is high level programming language. Are you getting that? High level programming language. Okay. High level programming language. What is the meaning of high level programming language? Sir, not required to keep much explanation, right? Okay, sir, it is Python is a high level programming language and hence a programmer friendly language. Best example, sir, Best example, it is the readable just like English. Are you getting? Human understandable. It is the readable just like English. Human understandable form. Being a programmer, we are not required to concentrate low level activities like memory management, security, these kind of things we are not required to worry at all. Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, make sure, sir. Okay, it is a human understandable programming language itself is nothing but Python. Okay, so next, sir, memory level. So allocate memory, deallocate memory, we are not required such type of low level activities. My Python virtual machine by default is going to take care. Sir, that's all. Security, automatically my Python virtual machine is going to take care. We are not required to worry. It is a programmer understandable terminology. Being a programmer, we are not required to worry about the low level mission level activities. Okay, sir, that's all. This is about the third. Okay, sir, next, fourth one, sir, very important. Make sure, sir, platform independent. Regarding platform independent, remember that. Sir, what is the meaning of platform independent? Anyone, can you please tell what the meaning of platform independent, sir? Ayo, respond. Very important. The people who are coming from Java, you can able to tell very easily, sir. Okay, good. What the meaning of platform independent? Platform independent. Yes, very simple, sir. Very simple. Once I write a program, sir, I write one Python program. Assume that, sir, I write one Python program. Assume, sir, this Python program you can run on any OS or getting on any platform, sir. No problem. Without performing any modification, happily you can run on any OS, right? Sir, best example, let me take, sir, I'm taking tester.py. Assume that I'm taking some tester.py. Assume that, sir. Sir, now my code is, assume this is my code. What I'm trying to do, don't worry about that. I'm doing something, man. I'm doing something. Just what I'm trying to do is just 6-digit OTPs I'm going to generate. Assume that. You may ask, sir, don't ask what is the code, how it is going to work, and so on, sir. Sir, py tester.py. I'm trying to execute, sir. Sir, 6-digit OTPs I'm going to generate, sir. 100 OTPs. I don't want 100. Just I want 10 only. Just have a look once. 10 OTPs got generated, sir. Random numbers, sir. 10 OTPs by default got generated, right? Now my question is, do you know which OS I'm using? Windows. Regarding which OS I'm using? Windows, sir. Sir, suddenly my friend came. Array, I want this application. I want this application. Can you please give this program? Like, then immediately copy the take in the pen drive, or otherwise I will attach to the mail. Sir, on his mission, whether it is the Windows or Unix or Linux or Sun Solaris or Mac, any mission is going to take, no problem at all. Definitely, this Python program is going to work, sir. Sir, how many times we have to work a Python program? Only once. Are you getting? How many times we require to write a Python program, sir? Only once. But sir, everywhere it is going to run, no problem at all. Are you getting? Write once, and run anywhere. Are you getting? Write once and run anywhere. This is the policy what is followed to the Python. What is that, sir? Can you spell? Write once and run anywhere, sir. You can able to run. Itself is nothing but, sir, platform independent nature of Python. Sir, what is the? Can you spell out? Is the Python is the platform independent or not? What answer you can tell? Please respond. What the answer you can able to tell? Python is the platform independent or not? Yes. Sir, what is the meaning of platform independent? Sir, if you write a Python program, sir, if I write a Python program, this a Python program, you can able to run on Windows machine. Are you getting that? You can able to run on Windows machine, Windows machine. Next, and after that, if you want, you can able to run on Unix machine. Next, if you want, you can able to run on, sir, Mac machine also, no problem. Like, sir, if you write a Python program on any machine, we can able to run without performing any change. Remember this one, sir. Sir, who is going to take care? who is going to take care about converting this Python program into corresponding mission specific code. Here we require to use, take very special case. Here we require to use Windows based PVM. Are you getting what is that, sir? Python virtual machine. Windows based PVM is going to take care about converting this Python program into mission specific code. Remember that, sir? So Python virtual machine is there. Python virtual machine convert this Python code into Windows mission specific. Similarly, sir, for Unix, another virtual machine I require to maintain. That virtual machine is going to take care to convert into Unix specific form. For Mac also, sir, Python virtual machine is there for the Mac. This Python virtual machine is going to take care converting into corresponding mission specific. So we are not required to worry. If you write the Python program once, we can able to run that Python program everywhere. Remember that, sir. Sir, are you able to understand, right? This behavior is nothing but what? This behavior is nothing but what? Platform? Respond, man. Why you are silent? This behavior is nothing but what? Platform independent behavior. Are you getting? Python is the platform independent or not? Python is the platform independent or not? Yes. We are not required to write a separate Python program for Windows, separate program for Unix, separate program for Mac. Sir, such type of terminology not applicable. But if you consider instead of C, instead of Python, if you consider C program, sir. Okay, remember this one. I want to write a C program. The C program which is written for Windows machine, there is no guarantee it is going to run on Unix machine. Remember this one, sir. The C program which is written for Unix machine, there is no guarantee it is going to run on Mac machine. Are you getting? For Windows, one C program. For Unix, another C program. For Mac, another C program is required. That's why C language is nothing but platform dependent language, but Python is nothing but platform independent language. Remember that. Then immediately, you may ask, sir, how to convert this platform independent Python code into corresponding mission, into Windows specific code or Unix specific code? Who is the responsible, sir? Internally, Python virtual machine will be there. That virtual machine is the responsible to convert Python code into corresponding platform specific code. Because of this Python virtual machine only, Python is platform independent. Is it clear? Ayo, respond. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, that's all. So can you please tell Python follows write once and run anywhere policy or not? Yes, Python follows write once and run anywhere policy. No problem at all, sir. So we are not required to write separate programs for every platform. One program is enough for all platforms. This nature is nothing but platform independent nature. Okay, well, sir, what is the next one? Very important terminology, sir. Make sure most of the people are always getting confusion. I don't know the words, but both are different concepts. Take a bit special care, sir. What the next one, sir? Portability. Are you getting what the next one, sir? Portability. Sir, can you please tell what is the meaning of portability? Are you platform independent and portability? Both are same or both are not same? Yes, both are same or both are not same? Both are not same. If both are same, then why separate two points, sir? Both are not same. Take a bit special care. Don't use almost the same. No. Okay, sir. This is what you people should aware. What the meaning of portability? That part I will take care, sir. Still, some people are asking, Bharat, sir, is the Python case sensitive or not? What the answer I have to tell? Some person is asking the doubt. Either Python is the case sensitive or not. What is the point I have to tell? Python is a case sensitive. Remember that, sir. Python is a case sensitive. Lower case and upper case, there is a difference is there. Okay, make sure. Now, sir, is it portable or not? Make sure, sir. What the meaning of portability? Do you know, sir? It is not required. It is not required to explain, sir. Because you people should aware. Here, just have a look once. If I write a Python program, it can run on any mission, on any platform. This is nothing but platform independent nature. Then automatically, what the meaning of portability? Okay, remember portability meaning is different, sir. What is the meaning of portability? Just have a look once. So do you know? Very easy. Everyone in this session can able to understand. Uh, have you ever used the word mobile number portability? Ayo, these days in India, it's a very common mobile number portability. Correct or not? Are number portability? I want to go for port. I want to go for portability. Like you may use mobile number portability. Sir, what is the meaning of mobile number portability, sir? Suppose I'm using Airtel, sir. I'm using Airtel. But Airtel service is not good. Service is not good. I want to go for Idea. Assume, for example, I want to go for Idea. Can I require to change a number or can I use the same number? Respond. Can I use the same number or can I require to change the number? So we can use the same number without changing the number. Okay, without changing the number, we can able to change from one network to another network, from Airtel to Idea to Airtel, like from one network to another network without changing the number. You are allowed to go for, which is nothing but mobile number portability. Everyone can aware? Yes, man. Everyone can able to understand, right? Okay, what is the meaning of mobile number portability? Now, observe that. What is the meaning of Python portability? Python portability. You should aware, sir. Sir, I write one Python program. Assume that I write one Python program. I write, sir. This is my program. Next, I use Windows machine. Happily it's executing, sir. No problem at all. Happily it's executing. The corresponding output I got, sir. But after a few days, I came to know Windows is not good because it's the licensed version. I want to go for Linux. Then, sir, without performing any modification in the program, can I change Windows to Linux or not? Yes, if I go for Windows to Linux, sir, the same Python program is going to work or not? Without performing any changes, sir, same program, happily you can able to change your network, no problem at all. Instead of Windows machine, you can use Linux. Instead of Linux machine, you can use Vodafone. Observe that, sir. So Airtel to Idea to Vodafone, you can change same number, network you can able to change, no problem, by maintaining same number. Sir, by maintaining same Python program, you can migrate from Windows machine to Linux machine to Mac machine to Sun Solar is no problem at all. Such a type of feature is nothing but portability concept. Everyone can aware? Yes, sir. Platform independent and portability. Sir, what is the small minor difference? What is the difference you people should aware, sir? Sir, once I write a Python program, you can give that Python program, sir, to any platform person, no problem at all. Sir, can I able to run this Python program on any platform? Yes, man. What is the problem? That nature is nothing but platform independent nature. Remember this one, sir. Now, what is the meaning of portability? I'm already executing Python program on Windows machine, man. Sir, without performing any changes in the Python program, can I port this Python program to the Linux machine or not? Sir, if I run on the Linux machine, if the Python program is going to work or not? This type of behavior is nothing but, okay, sir, portability. Portability means, do you know, migrating from one machine to another machine. Sir, platform independent nature mein executing on all the machines. So seems to be both are same, but there is a small minor difference there. You have to identify. Gausia, I hope you can able to understand, right? Okay. Yes. So that's all. This is what you people should aware, sir. Remember. Most of the times, you know, yes. hardware components, everything will come in the picture. Yes, Sanket, correct. Okay, yes. So now just take a bit very special care about this one, sir. My question is, sir, Python programs are portable. That is, we can migrate from one platform to another platform very easily. Are you getting right? Python program will provide same result on any platform. This is nothing but portability. Are you getting? Sir, can I able to migrate from one mission to another mission? Sanket, can you please tell? Can I able to migrate from Windows to Linux? Sir, my Python program, if I migrate, Python program is going to run or not? Respond, man. Python program is going to run or not? Python program is going to provide same results or not? Yes, that feature is nothing but what we call portability. Remember that portability. But platform independent means just I'm writing one program, you can run on any mission. Sir, I'm not going to write the Python program for Windows machine, Python program for some other Python program for Linux. I'm not writing, sir. I'm not writing. That type of thing is by default considered. Yeah, okay, sir. Platform independent nature. Remember this one. Okay. Yes, Sanket. Yes, you can able to do that. No problem at all. Raspberry Pi. Yes, acceptable. Okay, that's all, sir. This is platform independent. Remember that. Okay. So mostly next, is the Python hardware independent or not? Yes, it is the architecture neutral also. Sridhar, it is the architecture neutral also. No problem at all. Okay, Python is the architecture neutral also, man. Okay, 3 words seems to be same. 3 words seems to be same. One is platform independent. Second one is portability. Third one is architecture neutral. Architecture neutral. Like Sanket. Sanket, just this what you people should aware. Sir, if I change a processor, if I change some hardware configuration, still my Python program is going to work or not? This one is by default considered as architecture neutral. If you are talking about hardware components, are you getting right? Portability means can I migrate from one OS to another OS, from one mission to another mission, which is nothing but what? Portability. Next, platform independent means on any mission you can able to run Python program, no problem at all, which is nothing but platform independent. Remember that, sir, Python always satisfies all these properties, no problem at all. Clear? Ray, respond, man. Are you able to understand? Sir, up to this, sir, how many points we covered, sir? Point number 1, Python is very simple and easy to learn. Next, it is a freeware and open source. It is a freeware and open source, high level programming language, platform independent. Next, and after that, portability. Okay, like next, 6th one, sir. Very important point. Dynamically typed programming language. Are you getting? Dynamically typed programming language. Sir, in the last session, introduction part I covered already. What is the meaning of dynamically typed? What is the meaning of dynamically typed, sir? Very simple. In Python, we are not required to specify the type explicitly. Sir, I don't want to specify the type explicitly. In Python, we are not required to specify type explicitly. It doesn't mean Python not having data types concept. Don't get confused. Most of the people are going to feel, Python not having data types. No, sir. We are not required to specify data type explicitly, which is nothing but dynamically typed. Remember, based on your provided value, type will be considered automatically. We are not required to specify explicitly. That's why type will be allocated dynamically based on your provided value, which is nothing but dynamically typed programming language. Sir, what it means? Have a look once, sir. I'm taking here just x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Can you please tell what is the type of x? Yes, ma'am. What is the type of x? Yes, type is there. But we are not required to specify explicitly. If you want, what is the type of x? Yes, have you observed right? X. What is the type of x? Int type, sir. Similarly, If I want, do you know, sir, Boolean, sir, here Boolean, x is equal to true, I'm taking. X is equal to true, I'm taking, sir. Sir, now here do you know type of XSR. Now onward, it is considered as bool type. Regarding now onwards, it is considered as what type? Bool type. Make sure. So based on your provided type, automatically, sir, based on your provided value, automatically the type by default will be considered. That's why Python dynamically typed programming language. We are not required to specify the type explicitly. Clear? Yo, respond, man. Are you able to understand, right? Okay. Here just take a bit very special case. Sanket. Yes, take a bit special case, sir. But anyway, as of now, just the people who can able to understand, you can just aware. Otherwise, you can ignore, no problem at all. Next point I'm telling. In Python, everything is considered as object. Remember that, sir. Everything is considered as object. So primitive data types not there in Python. But in Java, you have byte, short, int, long. These are primitive types. But here in Python, no primitive types. Everything is treated as object only. Remember, that's why what is the type of X? Immediately it is telling the class int. Oh, it is the int type object. It is the Boolean type object, like this, right? Sanket, I hope your doubt got clarified. Are you able to understand, right? In Python, everything itself is considered as object. Anyway, the people who are unable to understand this point, ignore, because somewhere in the next sessions we are going to discuss, sir. Okay, sir. Next, this is, sir. Let me conclude again. Let me conclude again, sir. Sir, in Python, we are not required to declare the type of variables. Whenever we are assigning the value, based on the value, type will be allocated automatically. Hence, Python is considered as dynamically typed programming language. So, do you know? But in C language or Java language, compulsory we require to specify the type explicitly. Correct or not? Compulsory we require to specify the type explicitly. That's why, sir, C language is by default considered statically typed language. But Python itself is considered dynamically typed language. Okay, make sure, sir. Here you should aware. Next, the dynamic typing nature will provide more flexibility to the programmer. Okay, like you people should aware. We are not required to specify the type. Automatically type will be considered, means half of the programmer's work by default got reduced. That's why it is considered as it's more flexible to the programmer, right? Remember that. Sir, now there are some 1 or 2 doubts are there. Sir, can we add 2 plus 4.5? 2 plus 4.5. 1 minute, sir. 2 plus 4.5. Okay, have a look once, sir. Have a look once. X is equal to 2 plus 4.5. What is the, sir? Happily you can able to do that, sir. Now, sir, what is the X value? 6.5. What is the type of X? What is the type of X? The type of X is nothing but float type. Clear? Yes, who is asking? Bharat. I hope your doubt got clarified. Okay, next and after that, sir, where are you writing? Yeah, okay, that's all this is about, sir. Where we are, I'm typing this code and so on. Just mostly within 1 or 2 sessions, how to install, how to write a Python code and so on, we will discuss. Don't worry about that, Vishnu. Yes, we will discuss all these things in detail. Okay, next, that's all, sir. Sir, make sure this is nothing but what is the dynamically typed programming language. So, can I require to declare the type explicitly? Can you spell out what is the type of X? Oi, what is the type of X? Yes. Okay, the type of X is nothing but what? Sir, int. We are not required to specify the type explicitly, right? Okay. Next, sir, X is what type? Int type. Sir, in other languages, assume that if it is a Java, sir. If I declare int X is equal to 10. If I declare int X is equal to 10, if I declare like that, then automatically what will happen? Throughout its life, X is always what type, sir? Int type only. But in Python, In Python, do you know, sir, we are not required to fix the type like that. Okay, make sure x is equal to 10. X is what type, sir? Int type. Sir, after some time, I thought that x, sir, should be Boolean type. Then automatically x is equal to true. X is equal to true. Now onwards, x is going to be x as Boolean type. Remember that. Now onwards, x is going to be considered as Boolean type. Sir, after some time, x is equal to 10.5 I'm taking. Now onwards, x is considered, yeah, what types are? Float type. Remember that, float type. Sir, x is equal to, sir, 10.5 I'm taking, sir. Now onward, x is by default considered string type. Remember this one, either within single quote or double quote. Within single quote or double quote. By default, it is considered as string type. Sir, how many variables are there? How many variables are there? Only one variable. Only one variable. Based on my requirement, I can use as int type, I can use as double type, I can use as float type, float type, string type, any type we are allowed to use, no problem at all. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Is it more flexible to the programmer or not? But in Java, if I consider index is equal to 10, by mistake in the next line, sir, x is equal to true, I'm taking. X is equal to true, I'm taking. Immediately, compiler is going to give left and right. Oh, x is int type, man. X is int type. How you can provide Boolean type? How you can provide Boolean type? Like, but in Python, now onwards, x is considered yes. Now onwards, x is considered yeah, Boolean type. Remember that, sir. Sir, now onwards, the same x is considered yeah, double type. Now onwards, float type. Now onwards, x is considered as string type. So, based on your requirement, you can declare, you can use x, sir, for any type, no problem at all. The type will be allocated automatically based on our provided value. Clear? Yes. I hope, are you in a position to understand, right? Okay, that's all. Just have a look once, sir. The same thing I want to show for you. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. What is the type of x? X is equal to 10. Type of x, int type. Okay. Well, sir, same x. X is equal to 10.5. X is equal to 10.5. Next one after that. Now, sir, type of x. Now onwards it is float type. Sir, x is equal to true. I'm taking. True. I'm taking. What is the type of x? What is the type of x? Sir, bool type. Are getting type of x? Itself is nothing but bool type. Next, x is equal to, sir, 10 I'm taking. Sir, within single quote. Single quote. Now, what is the type of x, sir? Now onwards it is considered str type. I hope everyone can able to understand. Clear, right? Yes, what is the meaning of dynamically typed? This type of flexibility not there in other languages, right? Okay, that's why compulsory. So the biggest specialty is it is the dynamically typed programming language. Next, one more, sir, just observe that some people are asking while concept is going on, some people, sir, how do you install Python and so on. All those things we will discuss. Don't worry at all, sir. Okay, just how basic idea, basic features about Python. Okay, there we will discuss in detail. First, concentrate what I am explaining. Better to listen, not yeah, if you want, I will explain how to install Python, how to run our first program. All those things we are going to discuss. Don't worry at all. Just so next, what is the next cinema we have to touch on? Sir, do you know? Features only. Up to this, almost around 6 features we covered, sir. Up to this, 6 features by default we covered already. Sir, Python itself is nothing but simple and easy to learn. Next and after that, Python is the freeware and open source. It is the high-level programming language. It is the platform independent. It is the portability. Next is the dynamically typed programming language. Right? Sir, what is the next feature? What is the next feature we require to discuss? Sir, Python is both procedure-oriented. Python is both procedure-oriented and object-oriented programming language. Remember this one, sir. So, if you consider Java, Java is object-oriented but not procedure-oriented, right? Okay, procedural-oriented benefits, procedural programming benefits, we are going to miss in Java. But if you consider C language, do you know it is the procedure-oriented but not object-oriented? It is the procedure-oriented but not object-oriented. That's why. So C language missing the benefits are C language missing the benefits are procedure oriented. C language missing the benefits are object oriented. Okay. Next, Java language is missing the benefits are procedure oriented. Remember this one, sir. Because C is procedural oriented, that's why it is going to miss object oriented feature. Java is object oriented, that's why it is going to miss a procedural oriented, right? But what about Python? Are you getting right? What about Python? Python is both the procedure and object oriented, right? Both procedure and object oriented, no problem. You can enjoy procedural oriented benefits as well as object oriented benefits. Okay, no problem at all, sir. That's why Python happily we can use both procedure oriented features and object oriented features. Without the class and object, you can write the Python program. With the class and object, you can able to write the Python program. You can use inheritance concept, you can use overloading, you can use overriding, encapsulation, like all book features by default there in Python. Next, and after that, even without the class and object also, just you can write a small code of the code, sir, happily you can execute the Python. Okay, Python is both the procedural oriented as well as object oriented programming language. Remember that, sir. So Python language supports both procedure oriented like C, Pascal, and object oriented like C++, Java. Hence, we can get the benefits of both, both benefits by default we are going to get, sir. Clear? Manisha, we will discuss. Don't worry about that. At last, I will discuss. Okay. Up to this is the clear. Okay. Now, what is the next point? Very, very important point, sir. Make sure this is. Next, the Python is interpreted. Python is interpreted programming language. Remember that, sir. So Python itself is interpreted programming language. What it means, right? Sir, we are not required to compile Python program explicitly. Internally, Python interpreter having, sir, will take care about the compilation. We are not required to do explicitly. Oh, can you please compile Python program? And then it is interpreted programming language. If a compilation fails, interpreter raised syntax errors. Once compilation success, then PVM is the responsible to execute. Remember that. Suppose I wrote one Python program, sir. Assume that tester.py. Assume I wrote one Python program. Sir, that's all. This is about my tester.py. Assume that. Sir, now I want to run this program. Now I want to run this program. What I will take here? Py tester.py. We are not required to compile. We are not required to compile, sir. So who is going to take care? My Python virtual machine is going to take care about the syntax checking also. Remember, happily the corresponding output by default you are going to get. Assume that there is a small syntactical mistake is there. Yes, colon is not there. Assume colon is not there. Immediately, sir, whenever you are executing, now you are going to get syntax error, invalid syntax. Can you please tell who is the responsible to check your syntaxes? Sir, which is again Python virtual machine is the responsible. Here, no explicit compilation is not there. First, PVM is going to take care all syntaxes are correct or not. If the syntaxes are correct, then only, sir, PVM is the responsible to execute line by line. That's why explicitly we are not required to compile Python program. But if you consider Java program, sir, assume that I write tester.java. I write one small tester.java. Sir, if you want to run this tester.java, first we have to compile. Regarding what I have to do, sir, first we have to compile Java C tester.java. Once the compilation completed, then only we have to run. Sir, once compilation completed, then only we have to run. Okay. Java test, we have to run Java test, observe. But in Python, we are not required to write just you have to use py tester.py. Everyone can aware? Everyone can aware? Are you able to understand? Can I able to compile? Can I able to compile explicitly Python program? Is it required to compile explicitly Python program? No. internally my Python virtual machine is going to take care about compilation also. Sir, if anywhere syntactical mistakes are there, immediately Python interpreter is the responsible to raise the problem. PVM is the responsible, right? Sir, once all syntax errors got fixed, no more syntax error, then only Python interpreter is going to execute our program line by line. Remember, that's a very important point. So Python itself is interpreted programming language. Okay, well, now I have small means. Yes, I have small some more things are there. Just let me add those features also, right? Sir, what is the next feature we have to discuss, sir? Very easy feature only, don't worry about that. Sir, extensible. Regarding, can I spell out, sir? What I'm trying to take? Extensible. What is the meaning of extensible? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of extensible? Very simple, sir. Sir, we can use other language programs in Python, sir. Are you getting? Python is extensible with other language code also. Are you getting? So we can use other language programs in Python. Sir, why? What are the main advantages, right? What are various main advantages, right? Very simple, sir. Very simple. The biggest advantage here is, suppose assume that I want to develop one program. One program, sir, Python program. I want to develop, sir. Assume that this is my Python program. But here some functionality, some functionality here, some functionality is required. For this functionality, already C language code is available, sir. Are you getting? Already C code is already available for this functionality. Then can I use that C code in my Python program? Have you observed? Can I use that C code in my Python program? Yes, no problem at all. Remember this one, sir. Happily, you are allowed to use a C code, sir, in Python. So other language code also we can use Python. We can use inside Python program. So the biggest advantage of this approach is, sir, non-Python legacy code we can able to use in our program, so that reusability of legacy code. Second one, sir, do you know Python is interpreted programming language or not? Respond, man. Python is interpreted programming language or not? Yes. So the advantage is we are not required to compile. But the problem here is, problem is performance wise Python is not up to the mark. Remember this one, sir, because line by line, read first line, and then interpret, and then execute, like line by line, reading, interpret, execute. Read second line, interpret, execute. Read third line, interpret, execute. Automatically performance is going to be down. Do you know? Interpreted languages performance wise not up to the mark. That's why, sir, if the performance is the very critical, what I will do is that particular part I can implement in some other language, and I can call that functionality into Python, no problem at all. Are you getting that? So automatically performance by default is going to be improved or not? Yes. Okay, clear? Are you able to understand, right? What is the meaning of extensible? Extensible means other language code, other language programs, happily we are allowed to use inside Python, so that performance improvements we can able to take care. Already existing legacy non-Python code, happily we are allowed to use, no problem at all. That's all. So this is about extensible. Next, do you know, sir, Python is embedded, sir. What is the meaning of embedded? What the meaning of embedded, sir? Very simple, sir. I can use other language programs in Python, which is nothing but extensible. I can use Python in some other languages, no problem at all. Reverse, sir. I want to use Python with the Java language. Is it possible or not? I want to use Python with the C# language, possible or not? Yes, why not, man? You can embed your Python code in any other language. That feature is nothing but embedded. Remember that feature itself is nothing but embedded. We can use Python programs in any other language programs, no problem at all. Okay, you can embed sir, Python within C or C++, like any language, you can able to do that. We can embed Python programs anywhere. Clear? More flexibility, right? Okay. Next, 11th one, sir. So it is the very important, sir. Extensive library. Are you getting what is the meaning of extensive library? Okay, sir. Do you know? Sir, Python for every requirement already library is available, sir. We are not required to write the code. Just import that library and use that. Import that library and use that. That's all. We are not required to write the code, sir. 99% of the work is going to be done with already existing library. Just 1 or 2% of the work a programmer is required to do. Obviously, the easiness by default will come, sir. So because of these libraries, best example, sir, I want to generate a random number. I want to generate a random number, right? What I'm doing, sir, rand int 0 to 9. So from 0 to 9, can you please generate some random number? To generate this random number, I'm not writing the code because this functionality already implemented inside random module. Are you getting inside random module? Module itself is nothing but library, sir. Do you know? Sir, just import that library, start using that. We are not required to write big code, man. Such a type of thing itself is nothing but extensive library support is there. Everyone can understand. So for every requirement, libraries are available. Just use those libraries. You are not required to be that much strong in programming. Okay, that is the specialty of Python. Sir, there are some people are going to use inside Python. Batteries are available. Each battery is nothing but module, man. Each battery is nothing but library. Observe. Clear? Are you able to understand, right? Okay, that's all. These are various features, whatever they are related to Python. So why Python is the very popular is nothing but because of these features only, sir. Almost around 11 features I covered. Can you please cross check? Python is the simple and easy to learn. It's a very nursery, just like nursery level programming language, man. Okay, easy to learn. It is just like English. Next one after that, freeware. We are not required to pay single paisa to use Python. Next is the open source. Based on our requirement, we can customize. We can customize customize programming requirements, right? Okay, so Jython, next Iron Python, PyPy, like there are multiple versions of Python is available based on our requirement. Okay, like next it is a high level programming language, programmer understandable programming language. Okay, we are not required to worry about low level activities, how the memory will be allocated, what is the address, such type of things. My Python virtual machine is going to take care. We are not required to worry much about that. Next one after that, platform independent. Once I write a Python program, you can run that Python program anywhere. Are you getting? Write once, run anywhere is the concept of platform independent. Next, portability means once I write a Python program, it's a happily running on my machine. Are you getting? I want to migrate from Windows to Linux or Linux to Sun Solaris to Mac. From one machine migrating to another machine, it is very easy. So without performing any change in the Python program, you can migrate Python program from one machine to another machine. That concept is nothing but portability concept. Are you getting that? Sun Solaris is nothing but something like operating system Rishi. Okay, next, just like Unix, just like Windows, like there is another operating system. Okay, now this is about portable, sir. Most of the people are getting the doubt. What is the difference between platform independent and portability? Just take a bit very special case, sir. Platform independent means if I write a program, it will run on any mission without performing. It will run on any mission. Write once, run anywhere. is the concept of platform independent. Remember, sir, what is the meaning of portability? Portability means, sir, I'm using my SIM happily with Airtel network I'm using, it's working too good. But offers are not there in the Airtel. Assume offers are not there. I want to change my network from Airtel to Idea. Assume that from Airtel to Idea, same number without making any change in the number, by maintaining same number. If I change from Airtel to Idea, that is called a mobile number portability. Remember that. Same way, I wrote a Python program. Happily it's running on Windows. So without making any changes, I want to migrate this Python program from Windows machine to Linux machine. Is it going to work or not? Yes, migrating from one machine to another machine itself is nothing but portability. Remember that, sir. Sir, write once, run anywhere is the concept of platform independent. Migrating from one mission to another mission without performing any changes is nothing but portability. So Python program is the platform independent, Python program is the portable, no problem at all. Next and after that, okay, next and after that, dynamically typed programming language. What's the meaning of dynamically typed programming language? Right, we are not required, sir, to specify the type explicitly. Based on our provided type, based on our provided value, the type will be allocated dynamically. That kind of concept is nothing but dynamically typed. Because of this dynamically typed, sir, more flexibility is available to the programmer. Remember that. Next and after that, sir, it is both the procedure oriented and object oriented, sir. Without the class and object, happily just a procedural oriented programming, only with the functions, calling those functions, I can able to write my Python program. Okay, sir, best example, I'm taking this program, this program, sir. Are you seeing anywhere a class, anywhere an object? No, just I'm writing some script, sir, first line, second line, third line, and so on. Sir, simply I'm going to execute. Yes, without the class and object also you can able to run, sir. Sir, just I'm taking def f1, just a printer, hello, sir, just hello, good evening, something like I'm taking, sir. Are you getting? Sir, if you observe that I'm not writing any class, just I'm writing a function, and you can call that function any number of times, sir. Just I'm writing a function, and you can call that function any number of times, no problem at all. Now observe that, happily that function by default is going to be executed. This thing is nothing but procedure oriented and object oriented, right? Sir, if you consider C language, can you please tell C is object oriented programming language? Respond. C is object oriented programming language? No. Sir, because C is not object oriented, it is missing object oriented benefits, reusability, inheritance. Next and after that, polymorphism, these kind of benefits which are missing in C language, right? Okay, like so C is missing object oriented programming benefits. Now my question is, Java is object oriented or not? Java is the object oriented or not? Yes. So all benefits are object oriented by default there in Java. But Java is not the procedure oriented, sir. That's why procedural oriented benefits we are going to miss in Java. Suppose I want to write a Java program. Without class, without object. Sir, just I want to define a function like this. I want to call that function. In Java, it is not possible. Remember this one, sir. In Java, is it possible or not possible? Respond. In Java, is it possible or not possible? Not possible. Means we are missing procedural oriented benefits in Java language. Remember this one, sir. So compulsory class should be there. Within the class, you have to write a function or method and so on. But in Python, no. That's why. So here take a bit special care. Java missing the benefits of procedural oriented. C is missing the benefits of object oriented. But Python is both the procedure oriented and object oriented. That's why we are going to get benefits of procedure programming, benefits of object oriented programming, right? Okay, so if you want, you can write the program with the class and object. If you want, you can write the program without a class and object also. Such a type of thing is possible in Python. More flexibility, more benefits we are going to get, sir. Next and after that, it is the interpreted. We are not required to compile. We are not required to compile. Python itself is going to take care about compilation. Okay, sir, it's an interpreted programming language. Okay, like next, extensible other language programs. Happily, you are allowed to use in Python. Next, the Python program you are allowed to use in other languages also. So other language programs you can use inside Python. Python is extensible. Next, we can embed Python programs in other languages. That's why Python itself is nothing but embedded feature, right? Next, the biggest specialty of Python, extensive library. So for every requirement, library support is available, sir. Okay, being a programmer, we are not required to implement, just we are responsible to use that functionality. That thing is by default considered. Yeah, extensive library support is available in the Python. Remember that, sir. Everything, libraries are available. For everything, batteries are available. Being a programmer, we are required to use those batteries. That's all. Clear? Are you able to understand? Okay, so if any person is asking, Hare, can you please tell what are various features of Python or what are various benefits of Python? Just simply you can talk about these things, right? So that you people, I hope, sir, you people can feel comfortable. Are you getting? Ayo, no response. Okay, that's all, sir. This is next. Somewhere in the next sessions, don't worry about that. How to install Python? How to install Python? How to run your Python program? In how many ways you can run the Python program? Sometimes, do you know, I open this one, sir. Sometimes I open this one. Just print of hello like this. I'm taking. Sometimes, do you know, print of hello like this. Happily hello is going to print. Sometimes what I'm doing, sir, here only, sir, Python like this. Now I'm taking, sir, print of hello like something like I'm doing, sir, like sometimes I open this one and then tester.py like, sir, what all these nonsense? Don't worry. In how many possible ways? We can able to, sir, we can able to run all those things. We will discuss. Are you getting right? Okay, that's all. This is about just a brief description, sir. Sir, after completing this class, even this class also will be uploaded in the YouTube. Just the last session and this session go through that. Tomorrow onwards, the class will be continued as usual, sir. Okay, that's all. Just I'm stopping the session.